Welcome to Research Creations, and thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, I will be covering the three forms of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. Now, let's get into the video. Conduction works through molecular contact, or in simple terms, when molecules bump into one another. When a molecule gets heated up, it starts to gain kinetic energy and vibrate. It then collides with surrounding molecules, causing them to vibrate as well. This continues to happen until the entire medium is at the same temperature. Even though most materials conduct heat in this way, there is one type of material that does it better, and those materials are metals. Metals are great at conducting heat because they have free electrons. Free electrons can pass kinetic energy quicker than molecular contact, as they can freely move around the medium. Conduction works best in materials of a solid state, as molecules need to be very close to one another for molecular contact to work efficiently. Molecules in liquids and gases are just too separate and active. Convection works and takes advantage of density changes in a medium when its temperature changes. When a fluid is heated up, its molecules become more active and spread apart, making it less dense. The hotter, lighter molecules will then rise, and the cooler, denser molecules on top will replace them. The denser molecules will also start to heat up, spread apart, and rise up. This process, also known as a convection current, continues indefinitely as long as there is a heat source present. Convection only works in fluids, in this case liquids and gases. This is because molecules in fluids are able to move around freely and are able to adapt to changing densities accordingly. Solids aren't able to achieve this as their molecules are locked in place and are only able to vibrate. Heat transfer through radiation happens through none other than radiation, more precisely through infrared radiation or heat radiation. All hot materials, or any material above 0 Kelvin, can emit infrared radiation and absorb it at the same time. The hotter the object is, the more infrared radiation it can emit. Different colors emit radiation differently as well. More reflective colors, such as white, are horrible at emitting radiation. However, darker colors, such as black, are great at emitting infrared radiation. All of the heat transfer methods I mentioned before radiation require a medium, such as a solid, liquid, or gas. However, radiation does not require a medium. This is why heat from the sun can still reach us from the vacuum of space.